Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure the AirPods in their case have charge, and the Samsung S25 Ultra's Bluetooth is on. Open Settings, go to Connections, then Bluetooth so the phone is actively scanning. With the AirPods in the case, open the lid and press and hold the setup button until the LED blinks white. This tells you the AirPods are discoverable. Once done, watch the phone's Bluetooth list for a device named AirPods Pro or similar, and get ready to tap it. When AirPods Pro appears in the Samsung's Bluetooth list, tap it, you'll see a pairing prompt. Accept it so the phone can exchange keys and connect. Make sure to grant any permissions the phone asks for, like contacts or audio profiles, because those enable features such as call audio and auto switching. If pairing seems slow, close the lid, wait 5 seconds, reopen and repeat the setup button press. Otherwise, use the S25 Ultra's Quick Connect or Bluetooth. Once paired, make sure the AirPods are set as the phone's media and call audio device. Open the Bluetooth device details and enable media audio if it's off. Test with a song and place a quick call to confirm microphone and audio routing. Adjust volume and prioritize Bluetooth in settings if calls default to phone speaker. If you hit problems, reset the AirPods by holding the case button until amber then white. Restart your S25 Ultra and repeat pairing. This often clears persistent connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.